Hi guys, and welcome back to another Tips and Tricks Tuesday. My name is Olivia and today I will be running you through a little function on the CX-30 that not many people know about. So they do have tilt in reverse side mirrors, and I'm just about to show you how to use those. So with the CX-30s, specifically from the G20 touring model and above, you do get tilt and reverse side mirrors. Now what that means is when you select a side mirror, put the vehicle into reverse, the selected side mirror will tilt down and show you your lines. So I specifically use my left mirror, and it's great for reverse parallel parking, so you're not hitting those pesky curbs. As soon as you put it back into park, that mirror then pops back up. Now if you're to do the right mirror, it will do the exact same. But specifically on this side mirror, you do have an auto dimming function, which is quite nice. Thanks so much for tuning in to our Tips and Tricks Tuesday. I hope that I have taught you something new about our beautiful CX-30s.